Hello and welcome. Do you need inspiration for your next post online, or do you want to figure out what your audience is typing away looking for? I have a super simple guide to show you how to use Most Asked Questions Finder by WebDeskArt in order to find out what questions people actually have for any given topic. Let's get started. Go to a web browser of your choice and open Google, type WebDeskArt and search. Click on the first link to access the WebDeskArt website. When you are on the home page, scroll down to find SEO Analysis. Click on Most Asked Questions Finder in the listed tools. You have now reached the page for the tool. In the search box, type in a keyword of your choice. Let's say you want to use the example of the keto diet. Click the search button. The tool will provide a list of questions related to your keyword and place them in categories of who, what, when, where, why, and how for you. You can see how this tool is super powerful. To help illustrate that, let's try one more example to help hopefully narrow the results page. Keto diet food will be our keyword this time. Click the search button and the tool will display questions related to foods that are on the keto diet. For a final demonstration, let's search for Claude mythos. Enter the term and click search. As before, you'll receive a comprehensive categorized list of the most common questions people are asking about that specific topic online. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and head over to WebDeskArt to try the tool for yourself today.